Right, people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is, I just going to do this, right, as to this guy. I always promote, my village, like, as a province like that. But, I am now here, Laguen village. You know what? Not so many people know Laguen village. Right, talking about Laguen village, Chalang is not so far from Aceh, almost 135 kilometers from Aceh. You know what? You spend 3 hours from come here. Now I'm on of the best beautiful view or spot there, like the mountain, small mountain, like island. Not so many, not a lot of people knows about that. Know about this location. It's very very beautiful. You can take picture here, have videos here, a beautiful spot here. You could invite a lot of people who came here. You know what? But I couldn't imagine that. It's very very awesome, like United States or Miami, Florida, Oklahoma, North Carolina. But you know what? Right, talking about like couldn't find a lot of people can come here because not so many people because over there a lot of mountain there, small mountain there. Can you imagine that? Yeah, I couldn't believe that in my life. You know what? If I got gas, if you come to my country Indonesia, don't forget to come to Aceh because Aceh very more interesting for village, beautiful view. Norma, Sabang Island is very the most beautiful view in Indonesia. Still, the resources or the trees, nature very awesome, fresh air. Couldn't find everything about local people very kind. They're local people very helpful, around the world. Totally awesome, right? But standing up, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm going to promote 5 minutes, as a province. It's very, very awesome, right? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.